Mazda drivers may encounter this critical warning message on their dashboard. This alert indicates that important safety systems have been temporarily disabled due to camera visibility issues. This warning primarily affects Mazda vehicles from 2017 onwards that are equipped with eye-active sense safety technology. This includes popular models like the CX-5, CX-9, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and newer CX-30 and CX-50 models. The heart of this system is the forward-sensing camera, typically mounted behind the rearview mirror at the top of the windshield. This camera serves as the primary sensor for multiple safety features. When the camera cannot see clearly, multiple critical safety systems become disabled. These include lane departure warning, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, smart brake support, adaptive cruise control, and high beam control. Several common issues can trigger this warning. The most frequent cause is a dirty or obstructed windshield, but environmental conditions, windshield damage, and aftermarket modifications can also interfere with camera operation. Camera visibility can be measured as a percentage. When visibility drops below the system threshold, safety features are automatically disabled to prevent false activations and ensure reliable operation. When your Mazda displays the camera visibility warning, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take, starting with immediate fixes you can do yourself. First, thoroughly clean your windshield with proper glass cleaner, focusing on the area behind the rearview mirror where the camera is located. Remove any obstructions like ice, snow, stickers, or toll tags that might be blocking the camera's view of the road. Ensure nothing is mounted on the windshield in the camera's field of view, including aftermarket accessories. Try a system reset by turning off your vehicle completely, waiting 30 seconds, then restarting. This can resolve temporary software glitches. If these immediate fixes don't resolve the issue, professional solutions may be required. Professional solutions are often needed when the camera system requires recalibration or hardware replacement. Camera calibration is typically required after windshield replacement, collision repair, or when the camera becomes misaligned. This professional service costs between $150 and $400. In more severe cases, hardware replacement may be necessary. Windshield replacement is needed when damage occurs in the camera's field of view. Camera module replacement, costing $300 to $800, is required for hardware failures. Always ensure your Mazda has the latest software updates available through your dealership, as these can improve camera system reliability. Prevention is the best approach to avoid these costly repairs. Regular maintenance significantly improves camera visibility and prevents warning messages. Monthly windshield cleaning, focusing on the camera area, can reduce warning occurrences by 80%. Regular inspection for windshield damage and prompt attention to any chips or cracks prevents more serious issues. Promptly removing any obstructions like ice, snow, or stickers maintains optimal camera performance. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will keep your Mazda's safety systems functioning properly and help you avoid costly repairs.